Serious citizen, to say the Libya, Yatakano. A summer in here, pano, young found smart, or painful, young found movie on him. Maybe I'm a shadow menta, Emma Cassa say, maybe I'm saying a church row. Nemuna Semu in a very important at the Macomaso. And we will be sorry, Kumasi, we knew was antimantema. About 90%. So, football, or no. Asante Kotoko no die enti Asante Kotoko no ye die chira enije de amaye no na spirit na fire enti yedem na over recent years na yenya nim say club no baby a na ewo no compared to in this age no obeka say miracle na nim no na say standard ne e ba from no cre na we a passionate appealer Madaro my senior citizens, me make into some video where I know what boy me am a video way I drew Manhyia. Yes, Manhyia is the root of Asante Kotoko. It is a video we drew on and sema me day today. Nansa kakre woman, yam penny for be far, nankia consider kakra. This season, which is the 2025-2026 season. Kotoko assigning almost 15 players the season. Already the core of the team no ever whole. No, yes, sign about 15 players, and to be brutally honest, it is too much. Even though there are explanations to all this, on the surface, it too much. And yet this season as Seven Kwana Maker and yet this particular IMC Amemu and Amebeka Wase. In recent years, Kotoko Football Club no eba form. We without slight shake of doubt. Eba form. Now, one of the key things from where I sit and Kakra Mediachi no may suggest and say may bompa is a Manhyia bit ma consider way. Nanka mama na be mama ye na etimi bema Asante Kotoko no be sa sorry pa wan Barcelona ne Chelsea ne ade no kura no Kotoko ebe che o ma so mo sa wo hwe nsani ani Asante Kotoko level no is above Barcelona ne Chelsea mu no because Kotoko no ne de ne Real Madrid mu inti sa wo hwe no on a year say we Africa the greatest club awaje club of the 20th century. Hey, 100 years, when I the best club of the 20th century from 1901 to 2000. Asante Kotoko the club of the century, a just small club. Inti, but recent years, no club no ban ever from because of mainly because the playing body near Biano is under leadership management. So the major, and in recent years. Omo mabaye Kotoko untimi nka se obi asampoto na emum because of the way leadership necessity and inti there will be deficiencies. No the major na pinkraba no na onye football serious football na emum no o adapt so well o sua de within a bra all year no na onye 100% yejitu sa obekọ ne saa no wasua de no Ebeboa club no moving forward see a club they hit the pinnacle hona this passionate appeal me making miss Ramomwa the video Andrew Manhyia mame Asante Kotoko yamfa ma consortium abrocheni ade obia this particular suggestion may ye menim say social media no powerful no ntira metwa camera na zimi so a me ka asem yi say Yenya nipa miensa 3 people from Manhyia omoye royals nipa miensa omoye royals at least nipa miensa na se 9 omoye royals omu free Manhyia e ka se obi e royal oye this year na Manhyia e de omu kwa abrochire akosua football management, proper football management. Is a okwa omo courses no ubetima ye be 1 year, 2 years. masters pa no makusua football management royals from Manhyia no masa Ghana no mabeye Kotoko ne de Kotoko na mo. Then they align it with local way of doing things. And ne copy say okusua de afra brocha no be no a say football no it is a big thing away now in here. You are going to have one of the biggest institutions. Asante Kotoko brand new soon. Enti sa Manhyia e de nipa 9 from Manhyia omoye royals ekwa abrochire ekusua proper football management. Omoye serious attachment with FC Barcelona, Chelsea, Manchester United. No mo saba na sa nipa kuyi no ye the club na mo so omon rane. At the crime ma we no more powerful ne say sa nipa na wakwa abrochire kusua football sa ye royal no. Sa club no won ho no orane a ade ba ko e hakotoko krom ha no sa squad ni ntimi nye in recent years ye hu ni say Kotoko ye de mo obi a obonze me ame nkofo e radio foi ye be ba se wa ba mebu obeje aguo nemum no sa eye royal ene ye de ama no nipa no ye dehye ene ono akosua proper football management ena all say ya sa ozu ye radio presenter na be kwa akotena radio so edinatem akikanse hunu a yenhwe. But the difference is that sa ekoyo obi onye royal ye the manna ubonse bash ne ba left right center, but at the end of the day na anye sustainable. Therefore to be sustainable with having good people obi tibenya obi o good people, but it won't be sustainable. Bunze at the end of the day bunze issue bi aba na radio for asum na we asum agenda bebre na nipa nko nemum no si yenye leadership no well qualified for makwa brochire royals at least nipa num nipa 9 nipa miensa from Manhyia ya vecho no to hu a omo ye royals omakosua proper football management, state of the art way of doing things. Na omaba na de Kotoko na ma no na no oh yemfa club ne ma Dubai for yemfa ma hwan for omunyina ya de na omasua ewiase so de if you are ready to learn oko Manhyia sisia we have royals nkra na wo ho munimade o mako school nti this nkra na ye kwepi omo professionally with football management na ye the club na mo a we 2 years time 3 years time o ma beje no ma run omo amade Asante Kotoko omo run professionally so na be cho no eno no afede in football management after the radio for never recommend the player and supporters leadership and recommend the players Asante Kotoko no will be run professionally ankasa the metro no means one the metro na Asante Kotoko no is being run professionally akoda kwa abrocha kwa football management and after now near you for the baby lazy and no Asante menka say video omo kusua different buchiba no mo ye the club ne mo mo omo be ya buchi nyomanko you adapt, you align with local way of doing things. Inti senior citizens miss Ramon video we sa who's a point I make na baka kra wo ma woso ne ndru Manhyia sampanyifo be consider ni yenya at least enkwada miensa omo free Manhyia omo ye royals omo nkosua football wa abrochire 2-3 years ebeba sisia ebi okra na abrochire courses no 1 year intensive no awie near the Kotoko amom no ma je Kotoko no elale sound down afide ebe chi omo say kim so na be cho no afu configuration ebe je inshallah.